part of the money for the drawing book.
Oh.
I want to buy 2.
Do you want to draw the map of the world?
Thank you.
Emanuela, let's play a game.
Which game?
Question and answer game.
How?
It's simple. I'll ask you one simple question. If you get it, I'll give you this 1,000 naira. But if you don't know the answer, you give me just 100 naira.
I'm not interested.
Emanuela, you have opportunity to ask your own question. No? If you ask me and I fail it, I will still give you this 1,000 naira. But if I know the answer, you give me just 100 naira.
No.
Emanuela, with this 1,000 naira, you can buy plenty drawing book and even sell it in school. Yes, now.
So, if I ask you a question, I don't know the answer, you give me 1,000 naira.
Yes, but if I know the answer, you give me just 100 naira.
You want to bring out the Igbo girl in me? Okay, now, let's play.
Emanuela.
Wait. But ask me simple question, no. You know I'm a small picking.
Emanuela, what is photosynthesis?
Can I set or Google?
Don't try it to.
Take. I don't know the answer.
Your turn.
If I ask you any question, I don't know the answer, you give me 1,000 naira.
Yes.
Okay. Which bird has 2 legs, 2 hands, 2 wings, and can fly?
Bird.
Yes.
2 legs.
Yes.
2 hands.
Yes.
2 wings.
Yes.
And can fly.
Exactly.
I put myself in trouble.
You can search on Google.
I don't know the answer.
Thank you.
Come. Emanuela, or are you? Which bird has 2 legs, 2 hands, 2 wings, and can fly?
Oh, you're done. You have asked your question. That's 100 naira. Take. I don't know the answer. I'm not playing again.